So we've been home for a couple of weeks and time to go off on a bit of an adventure. I'll tell you more in a bit. Where are we?
In Barcelona.
Barcelona. We're back in mainland Spain at the bus depot. Trying to get the bus to where?
To La Rapita.
La Rapita. So we're on a bus. The bus driver, we showed him the tickets and he seemed to think it was right, which is always a good sign, isn't it?
Casual waving.
But this bus station, I've been here 4 years ago and it was chaos then, and it was...
It's not very clear.
It's not very clear, is it? That's fair. Anyhow, we're on a bus and hopefully it's going where we want to. So, what have you got there?
I've got a trolley.
A trolley. And why have you got a trolley?
Well, I'm bringing it back.
You're bringing it back.
For Tony and Callie, our dear friends, cycling away in the distance there.
And this is their boat.
Yeah.
An XS14. And we are here to crew it and hopefully to Tunisia.
Yeah, that's the plan at least.
Yeah, which is going to be very exciting, isn't it?
Looks like we're leaving tomorrow as well.
Yeah, tomorrow morning. Yeah, straight in there. That's good.
Oh, just
all right.
arrived today.
Yeah. No peace for the wicked. It's 7:15 in the morning. Hazel's making coffee. Tony's out here getting the boat ready,
Morning.
doing the hard work.
Oh, it's all good.
Look at this boat. Bring it up on deck. So she's an XS14, which means like 45 feet or something?
Yep, yeah. 45 foot, 14 metres.
Yeah.
And a beam of 7.89.
Yeah.
Two 57 Yanmar engines.
Right.
And a bloody good crew on this trip.
Let's hope so. It's the morning for you. Just leaving the harbour at St. Carlos. It's a glorious morning. Big old harbour or bay here in the delta of the River Ibra. Look at that. What a lovely morning. And here's our vessel for the trip. Hazel on the helm. Yeah. You got all this electronics here, Haze?
Yeah. Dark water.
Yeah.
Wind speed indicator.
Wind speed indicator. Yeah.
Speed.
So obviously we've got a course. We've got average wind angle. Apparent wind angle. Apparent wind speed. So it's getting up, 14 knots of wind now.
Yeah.
Speed through the water, 6.5 knots. We've got jib up. Come a little bit more forward of the beam, look.
Yeah.
And this is what we're looking at here. Guys in there working. Coming through to the other side of the boat. All the same information over here. And the Mediterranean Sea. Alright, you go for it, mate. That's the right one. A little bit more. Looking better. Think you're good, aren't you? And it's to shut the jammer. Not too tricky. That looks better.
Yeah. It's not backing at the top.
So this is catamaran life then, is it?
It's quite scared to get on.
Yeah, well.
It's quite wacky.
Yeah, you have to trust they're strong enough. Of course they are strong enough, but
Apparently.
it seems to be.
Well, the water's so clear as well.
Let's come and have a look at this water.
I'll take the camera first. I'll show you how blue the water is. Oh, yeah, yeah. No. Didn't like that.
You see, behind you there's a sign that says don't jump,
Yeah.
and the maximum of 400 kilos.
So it should be just about it.
It's kind of a bit crazy because we're come back out to the Spanish mainland, and now we're sailing back out to the Balearic Islands, which just a few weeks ago we thought we'd left. But, it's good. It's good. It's a lovely day again, and completely different experience with the catamaran crude boat. 4 of us on board, as opposed to being on our small boats on our own. It's a completely different experience, and it's all very lovely.
It's on.
Tony's just getting his fishing gear out.
Yep.
Well, that's a serious reel you've got there, though.
You reckon?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
much better than the one I've
Oh,
got.
that's good then. Yeah. It's got one fish.
Yeah, lovely. So you've been in there all morning cooking, basically.
Yeah. Well, then later I don't need to do it, so I'm
Yeah.
trying to get it out of the way.
Yeah.
Enjoy and relax.
Fair enough. What's on the menu then? It's a quiche, isn't it?
A veggie quiche, like spinach, zucchini, feta.
Sounds good, doesn't
Yeah.
it? We've
Breakfast or a snack.
already eating like kings here. Oh yeah, they're here. It was just out there. Yeah, out there. It's a big dolphin. It's a bottlenose.
Johnny, got a fish.
That's small, it's coming towards us.
Yeah, it's not overly big, but it's a fair bit of drag. It's not running with it.
Oh, what's happened?
You alright?
Yeah, that's what's the end of that.
Oh, now he's having a go.
Is he fighting now?
Yeah, no, he's fine.
So don't you want to give him a little bit? So
Give him a little bit.
I don't know. Don't listen to me.
Shall we get that again? No, here we go.
No rush.
I want to see some flashes.
He's out there.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's a long way
I
out.
saw some splashes in the water.
Yeah, there you. I think you've got the length of the thing up.
How you feeling?
Good.
Muscles, I'm
Yeah,
still
good.
working.
Just get it again.
Oh yeah.
It's a bit of work, you know.
What's up?
Let's get the over the shoulder look.
In the bucket for the night. Yeah.
Starting to come up and thinking.
Oh, it's going sideways.
He's getting me now. He's right here, right here.
Oh my giddy aunt. Oh, hello.
Hey, Tony. Oh, my word.
Oh, wow. Look at you. What are you? What are you?
It's a bloody big barracuda. It's a barracuda. I don't think it is.
Oh my
So you?
god.
You're gonna keep it?
Hello, lovely.
Yeah,
Gotta eat
it's
it.
lovely to eat. Swordfish.
Don't get sorted.
What's your...
Don't get stabbed.
the size of that fish? Bloody hell. Do you want me to get
Oh,
some
he's
slack?
gorgeous.
Yeah, give us some slack, Tom. Wow.
Hello,
Oh, it's
lovely.
got a little swordfish, a little fish on it.
Oh, wow.
All right, mate.
Right.
Should be that. Should be.
No.
Yeah, gorgeous. Look at the dorsal fin or whatever it's called. Beautiful.
Incredible.
I never would have believed that we were on a fishing rod. You catch them. This is the sort of thing that Hemingway catches.
Lucky lure. Tell you.
Yeah, it is.
This is the man who reeled
Look
it
at
up.
that.
Just
Wow.
as tall as you.
Wow.
You got it. Not going to hold it much longer.
Well,
Whitish. Okay.
Sounds like beluga.
This is all too much happening at the minute. Crossing in front of us.
It is because they're long distance swimmers, I think.
Yeah.
They need more.
Yeah.
That's why they're so meaty and bloody.
Yeah. Yeah. But he's not as bloody as a tuna. He's,
no. Oh, never knew, right?
he's on bag duty.
So we go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, go for it. And that's completely bone free, that bit as well.
Looks like it, eh?
Yeah.
Looks like the
The
tuna was.
tail is...
Yeah, the tail. That's where you want to be. Lovely.
Yeah. And this is our haul. 2 bags of fillets, 4 bags of small steaks each. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. I didn't do anything.
No. We all did something. I didn't do anything either, so.
Look out.
Yeah, exactly. That's important too.
Sailing. We do 7.5 knots. About 16 knots of apparent wind. Quite something. One reef in the main. Looks like the jib could be sheeted in a bit. bit loose still on it. Look at that, it's fully battened, you know, it's with a square top, and not so far off a junk sales, are they? Good, Kelly, eh? Well, that was a great first day underway on the boat, leaving La Rapita, getting out into the blue Mediterranean, and right over the continental shelf is where we caught the marlin. Exactly, you know, where you might expect to catch fish, and the fish activity there is amazing. Where we saw the pod of whales all over that continental shelf. It's a wonderful, alive place. Yeah, anyhow. As you saw, we cut the marlin to steaks. The boat has a freezer, so we were able to freeze some, and plenty of fridge space. So we kept it fresh in various ways and ate it all over the course of the 3 weeks we were on board between the four of us. Some lovely meals. Kelly did a couple of delightful curries. Hazel did a ceviche. Hazel and I made a chowder. We had some really, really good marlin meals. Tony took those steaks and the skipper, Tony, not me, and cleaned them up, filleted them out. So we just had the clean meat. He got rid of the dark red bloody lines that are in there and just got those little, quite big actually, chunks of clean marlin meat, and they were delightful. Anyhow, that is it for this week. We will continue our adventures with this boat. That, by the way, was the only fishing we did, because that fish that we caught was enough for the four of us for the 3 weeks. So the rod was never put out again. And I think that's the way it should be. Catch what you need. Leave the rest alone. Thank you for watching. As ever, enormous thank you to the lovely people that support us via Patreon and PayPal. Talk to you soon. Bye.